Looking for tips for clear, glowing skin? We've got you covered. First, try Differin Acne Treatment Gel. It's a gentle yet effective gel for sensitive, acne-prone skin. Clear breakouts and get the complexion you deserve. Next, there's Clean and Clear Persa Gel 10. This fragrance-free spot treatment with 10% benzoyl peroxide works wonders on stubborn pimples. Say goodbye to pimples and hello to smoother skin. Now, let's talk about Alba Botanica Acnedote Pimple Patches. These overnight patches come in a pack of 40 and make zits disappear while you sleep. Wake up to clearer, happier skin. If you prefer a non-medicated option, try Band-Aid brand HydroSeal Acne Patches. These innovative patches absorb fluids and help blemishes heal faster. Say goodbye to pesky blemishes. Lastly, we have Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch TM. Original patch. Made of hydrocolloid, these patches perfectly cover up zits and blemishes. Each pack has 36 patches, so you'll always be prepared for breakouts. Check the links below in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Amazon Personal Care Picks for more updates.